Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to block someone on poppolive. It's very straightforward, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you have to take is of course open your poppolive app and then find the person you want to block. Alright, so you can do that from a live stream or by searching the person's username, or the person could be in your inbox, or it could be someone who you are following or someone who is following you. All right, so for example, I'm going to do that to somebody who I'm following on poppolive. All right, so I have to head to my profile and I'll see this follow option on my profile. I click on that and I'll see this person who I'm following, so I just have to click on the user to head to the user's profile, and then the next thing I have to do is to click on the three dots I see at the top right corner, and then to bring up all these options. So I'll click on add into blacklist and I'll get the block option. So once I tap on block, this user will be blocked. Right, so that's how you can do it. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and subscribe for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.